The 92nd commencement exercises of Bukidnon State University, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Technologies, and College of Nursing is hereby officially declared in session. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the Philippine National Anthem.
In a world where information is available at the touch of a screen and where artificial intelligence can answer almost any question within seconds, knowledge alone is no longer enough. What the world needs are people who know how to use knowledge with wisdom, integrity, and compassion. Tama po siya. The future will not belong simply to the smartest people in the room. It will belong to those who can be trusted.
81, Bachelor of Science in Biology, major in Biotechnology. Worthy of their respective degrees, they await your confirmation.
By virtue of the power vested in me as President of Bukidnon State University, I hereby declare you graduates and grant you your corresponding degrees with all the rights, honors, and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations.
Bachelor of Science in Biology, major in Biotechnology. Georgia Claire D. Kaan.
Ever mindful of my duties to God and country, to my neighbor, and to myself. So help me God.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Yay. Deserve. Oh. Bite.